This is a short video explaining how to use the Kleen machine pool robot. It's not difficult, and it does a pretty decent job. You can see the pool has some small leaves, and this helps you clean it without having to spend your time and vacuum the pool and then backwash the filter, wasting water and chemicals. So I'll show how to start using the robot. So you begin by simply dropping the robot in the water and make sure the clamps are attached, and just let the robot go in the water. Okay, and while that happens, you can start walking towards where you're going to plug in the power for the robot. And just make sure you unwind this cable. Okay, once you get down here, I'm going to throw it over this tree. Come around this side. And over here, just to protect the transformer, which is not waterproof, I use this plastic bucket. Okay, so this is the transformer. Again, the switch is in off position right now. This plug goes in here. Okay, I'm just doing this all with one hand right now. So once you plug that in, you gotta make sure this guy is also plugged in. Okay, and just simply flip the switch, and you can notice the light goes red. And just in case we get some more rain, I'm gonna put this back on. Now going back to the robot, you can see it started to do its job. So it will travel through the pool bottom and try to climb up a little bit on the walls as well. And everything it finds in its way, it's going to suck into that little bag that it has inside. And it will run like that for 2 hours. And during that 2 hours, it's going to swipe the entire pool. So that's pretty much it. You can go do something else, or if you prefer, just watch the robot doing the work. So once it's done, it's going to stop, and you have to go back to the transformer and turn it off. Once you turn it off, you can pull the robot out gently by the cord first, and once it reaches the water surface, you may want to use the handle and not the actual wire to pull it out of the water. It's a very simple, efficient machine that has helped me for the past few years with keeping my pool clean and saving my time. I hope you enjoyed the video.